sure does. Watch out. Hopefully she starts. It's gonna have to warm up for a minute anyways. You might want to just wait in the house while. So we're gonna be out there for a minute.
And the thing has it.
Hang on, we gotta let it warm up. I gotta put gas in it. Watch out. Watch out.
Put gas on it. Put lots of gas.
Daddy's filmed multiple times going hunting, and this is actually probably the only time I hadn't took my GoPro to go hunting and I shoot and kill something. That's the way it goes.
Kill the deer.
Killed a deer. You need to put y'all's hands needs to be put.
Ow! You stepping on my foot. Sorry.
Y'all's hands needs to be in y'all's pockets.
I'm gonna put about safety.
I ain't gonna be going very fast. Chick, you need to. You're gonna sit in front of me?
Yep.
Okay. Oh,
Ow.
sorry. Alright, don't be bumping the gas or nothing. You good? Stick fell over. I don't know where it's at now. For sure, right here. Marker stick. Okay. Just about. I can actually see it from here.
Okay. Let's get the ranger with it.
Now, follow me. I guess I should have brought a machete too, but
Not that cold though. I don't know what you're talking about. This is cold. It's not even close to me. Ah! This is cold. Wait for me.
there she sits. Well, it's a he, not a she.
Well, is it gonna come back to life?
Nope, it is dead. She's pretty good.
It looks scary. No.
When it's alive and charging at you, it probably would be.
Its eyes open.
Yep.
Some animals die with their eyes open.
That's right, Lily. That's
I'm so scared.
not the biggest buck ever, but I'm pretty proud of it.
I'm scared.
It's pretty.
Shouldn't be scared. I don't
Lily, you want to take a...
Probably rather it come over here. Oh, it's tugging out.
That's gonna make some good eating, some little steaks.
No, he's not. Is that thing heavy or not?
Oh, a little bit. Yeah.
That's his tongue sticking out. Because that's what happens when animals die. Their tongue gets all bloody. Oh, you're stepping on blood, chicken. From its tongue.
That's okay. All right, Lily.
How can it poop when it's dead? Let's get the hardest part done. And it. I'm not it. I know what you're gonna say. Oh my God!
All right.
Look at that thing.
Yeah. Well, I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat it high enough. But what I can do is pull it up there.
Ew. Stay. Sit in the back, Stay. Sit in the back. I don't care. Oh wait! You scared me. How can you get that thing up there? You're shaking the whole thing. Be careful. Ugh.
Oh, please don't fall off.
Stay. How can it stay, really? Daddy's shaking it. It's a deer. That's dead. Oh. Yeah, we have blood all over it.
That's okay. We can wash it.
Me with its horn or no? No. Ooh. It's dead, Chicky. Oh, its eyes are closed. It blinked. Its head's moving. Oh. Look at that thing. That's something called a light. It hand literally went down. That thing's alive.
I'm afraid not.
It's something where they move when they're still. It's something where they move when they're still dead. And the hole's still bleeding. But that's good. That's actually very good. Why did you shot it in the neck?
I didn't shoot it in the neck.
Why? It would have been better to.
That's a pretty shot. It was a little high. But...
touch that thing out. No, we're gonna have to get it cleaned up.
What we'll do